Alright, your preheat, when you first get this thing started, it's gonna start looking like that. Take your shovel, you kind of poke, and you knock that down. Blood will break into coals. See, they just kind of fall apart. You got a nice coal bed down there, and we start adding more wood on top. Like for controlling your temperature and stuff, you don't want a whole lot of wood in there. You know, flames like that are about 4 or 5 inches high at most. You know, the end of it will catch. You don't want to throw the whole thing in there until about half of it's burning. Then you can turn it crossways and push it back and start a new split. And that's one thing I do where I can maintain my temperatures better. You can do a lot with a fire. It's not all just the vents and stuff. You know, adjusting the way your wood is and the size of your splits. The fire and the way your splits are positioned in the firebox play a huge role in it. It's about exactly on 225. And to achieve that and get some good smoke flavor, you want more smoke flavor on chicken initially because it's going to cook faster than like a big brisket. On my stack here, you see I've got it cracked about 1/4 of the way. You open it more, raise the temperature and let more smoke out. You want more smoke flavor, you can close it down a little bit. And then over here, firebox vent wide open, and use this little piece of metal here to kind of keep the door cracked a little bit too, because you don't want to choke it down. If you start choking your fire down like you do on, say, a Weber kettle or something, you're making it smolder, and when you do that, you tend to get dirty smoke, and that's what you don't want. You want clean smoke from clean combustion, which maybe the way the sun is, I can show you here. A smoke like that, that's what you want. So it's real wispy, you got a kind of a blue color to it. That's good smoke there. That's clean smoke.